Salted ham is not merely a food. It has become a symbol of traditional culinary artistry, captivating the hearts of food lovers worldwide. What makes it so irresistibly appealing? Beyond the bold flavor, it embodies a meticulous journey involving premium ingredients and a rich cultural heritage. Every year, over 700 million salted ham products are consumed globally, demonstrating the unbounded admiration for this delicacy. To uncover the secrets behind this allure, let us embark on a journey through the careful selection of breeds, farming practices, and artisanal production, where each slice of ham reflects the finest natural essence and craftsmanship. The pigs chosen for salted ham production are typically renowned black or white heritage breeds known for their high-quality meat. These breeds are distinguished by their layers of fat interwoven with lean meat, contributing to the ham's rich flavor and tender texture. Raised naturally, the pigs roam freely on fields or in forests, resulting in well-developed, firm muscle. Free-range pigs are usually fed a variety of natural foods from their surroundings. They can eat grass like elephant grass, lemongrass, water spinach, or sweet potato vines, along with many other wild vegetables. Additionally, root vegetables like sweet potatoes, cassava, corn, bananas, and pumpkins are common food sources. Pigs also take advantage of leftover food from the kitchen, such as leftover rice, fruit peels, and vegetable scraps. However, raising pigs freely in nature faces growing challenges due to the shrinking forested areas, unable to meet the increasing market demand. Therefore, modern farms now integrate natural grazing methods with advanced techniques, providing an ideal solution that optimizes economic performance while maintaining the meat's quality for the ham-making process. Once the pigs reach maturity, usually between 9 and 12 months, they are sent to specialized processing facilities. The hind legs of the pigs serve as the primary ingredient for salted ham, as this part offers the perfect balance between meat and fat. Careful removal of the leg ensures the integrity of the muscle fibers, which is a key factor in the final product's quality. The salting process involves multiple complex stages to preserve the meat while developing its distinctive flavor. In the first phase, the pig legs are covered entirely with pure sea salt. The muscle areas are wrapped in refined salt, while the outer skin is treated with coarse salt. This stage lasts from 7 to 10 days, allowing the salt to penetrate deeply and initiate a natural fermentation process that contributes to the ham's bold flavor. After this period, the legs are moved to cold storage to let the salt distribute evenly. After the initial salting, the old salt is washed off, and the legs are salted again with fresh salt for another 15 to 18 days. This stage removes excess moisture and ensures the meat is preserved under ideal conditions. The ham then undergoes natural air drying in ventilated rooms with strictly controlled temperature and humidity. Before the ham reaches the market, it undergoes a meticulous manual inspection. A skilled expert uses a special needle made from horse bone to pierce various points on the ham, sniffing the aroma to assess its quality. Horse bone needles are chosen for their ability to absorb and transmit scents effectively. If the ham meets the standards for aroma and texture, it is branded with the seal of its production region, such as the famous Parma mark. This seal not only certifies the product's origin, but also guarantees that it has been made according to the strict standards of the region. Salted ham is more than just a food item. It embodies the deep cultural traditions of various European regions, particularly Parma in Italy and Iberia in Spain. These regions have long been celebrated for their premium hams, such as prosciutto di Parma and jamón ibérico. These products represent not only culinary excellence, but also significant economic value, exported worldwide at premium prices. The enjoyment of salted ham is an art in itself. The ham is typically sliced thinly to highlight its natural flavors and pairs perfectly with red wine, crusty bread, or dried fruits. Salted ham is a harmonious blend of natural essence and traditional craftsmanship. From the selection of breeds and farming practices to the intricate salting stages and rigorous quality inspections, every step is executed with precision and dedication. Thus, each piece of salted ham is not just food, but a moment of culinary artistry refined over generations. If you are fascinated by stories of artisanal production and the creation of premium foods, don't miss out on documentary videos and factory tours at ham production facilities. These experiences offer a unique opportunity to delve deeper into the captivating world of gastronomy and uncover the secrets behind some of the most celebrated dishes.